Hi everyone, my name is Libby and welcome back. Today I'm going to bleach my arm hair and I'm so excited. I've never done anything like this before. I actually never bleached any of my hair, so I'm really excited. So yesterday I went to Walgreens to buy a wax strips, and then in the hair removal section I actually saw this kit by Sally's, and I told myself I have to try this because it sounds so cool. This kit comes with a bleach cream, an activator powder, mixing cup, applicator, instructions, and a pre-conditioner. So it's saying bleach cream for face and body, extra straight cream hair bleach, lightest even the darkest hair, fast yet gentle, consist results every time. So I'm really excited to try this, and let's see how it goes. So as you can see, obviously I have hair and I have a dark hair, so I'm really interested to see how good it works. Let's start making our mixture. First we will need the activator, and it's a powder, and we will take a cup, and the cup comes with a measuring size, as you can see, and the measuring it's in milliliter. So we will start by putting 5 milliliter of the activator. Oof, put way too much. Where it's exactly? I'm not sure. It's really difficult to see. Okay. I guess whatever. So we put 5 of this activator powder. Now we're going to take the cream hair bleach, and from the cream hair bleach we will need 10. We will fill the cup until we will reach to 15 total, because we already have 5 of the activator. This is how it's supposed to look like before. Now we will take the spatula that also was in the kit, and we're just going to mix our mixer. So this is our final mixer here. I think it's a lot. It's really a lot, but we also need for both our arms, so I guess it will be good. I'm hoping it will be enough now that I think about it. So I will take off my watch and my rings. Now I'm going to apply it. Oh, before that I need to take my pre-conditioner. So before even applying everything, there is a really important step that you should not forget. This is the pre-conditioner, and we need to take or some cotton pad or some towel, and we need to soak it, and we need to just apply this on our area that we want to work on. Now after I put the pre-conditioner, now I can apply the mixer that we just made. I will give it one last mix. Okay, now as you can see, it's really grown. If it was on 15, right now it's over than 30 milliliter, and just look like a whipped cream. It's very tempting to eat, but I won't. Okay, so right now I guess I just will put it all over my arm. So I just applied all over my arm, and according to the instructions I need to wait for 8 minutes and then wash it with cold water. You don't want to use hot water because it can make you burn and stuff, so let's wait 8 minutes and then wash it, and let's see the results. I'm super excited. So after 8 minutes I washed my arm. The results are so crazy. I'm literally blonde because the hairs are so blonde. You can't even see this through the camera, which is crazy. I never thought it will be my hair. I'm really thinking with myself, you know, it's 8 minutes of wait, 2 minutes of work, and you're having such a great, wonderful result. So like, why would you ever go and spend this huge amount of money on laser or wax when you can get such a great result? Really so cool. The only minus part that I can find in this product is that I don't know if this is only my side effect or something normal. It kind of bleached my own skin color. I don't know if it's normal. As you can see, this is my color and this is the color I got. I'm hoping that with one shower and like scrubbing my skin, it will like blend and it will be okay. But overall, beside of that, it didn't itch, it didn't hurt, it didn't burn, like nothing. It was completely okay. I'm totally recommend it. I don't see a reason why would I go back to do laser or wax when I have an option to get blonde in my arms. So according to the box and what it's saying, you can also do this on the face and in all of the body parts. So like if you want to do this on your armpits or like in your belly, wherever you want, in your legs, this is a really great solution. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Comment below and let me know what you think about this transformation, because this is so cool. Let me know if you ever done something like this or you're planning to do something like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get an updates for more videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!